Welcome to my step-by-step guide on how to dropship on Facebook Marketplace in 2023. Whether you are new to dropshipping or just looking to expand your business to a new platform, I've got you covered. So in this video, I will walk over through 5 steps covering the whole process of setting up your account, sourcing products, and making your first sale. So like, subscribe, and let's get started. So, the first step, setting up your account, you come here to facebook.com and then you create an account, or you can use your personal account. I'm gonna log in here. I'm gonna just blur this now. All right, so this is like my personal account here, and you go to Marketplace. And then Marketplace, I am currently living in Portugal, so it's showing everything around Portugal, like around Lisbon and Ericeira and everything, but you can also filter out. You can put your location like, I don't know, let's say like Palm Beach, Florida, okay? You can change your location. And then you see here in Palm Beach, and then you have these buttons here, and then you create here selling or create new listings, right? And then create new listings, and then you have these options here, items for sale, vehicle for sale, home, but we are going for item for sale. And then you have all the information here that you have to fill out. So this is the process of listing anything on Facebook Marketplace to sell, right? But we're not selling something from home, we're drop shipping. So what's the process here? Let's move to the second step. And then we have step number 2, which is sourcing the products. So once you have your account set up, it's time to source the products to sell. And there is no better way to find winning products and suppliers than Zig. You can use Walmart, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, you name it, and other suppliers. But for the sake of this example, and because Walmart has fast shipping, I will use Walmart as a supplier. So we're here in Zig, and just make sure the quick settings are set to Walmart as a supplier, and then you go to the product research tool, and there's 2 ways you can do this, right? You can either search for products that you want, or you can look for Walmart brands. So you go, do the Google research here. You see, for example, a list of Walmart brands, and then there's like great value, equal mainstays, and then for example, you can get mainstays. And then you type mainstays, and we're gonna see right here is that a lot of sellers selling mainstays, and if they're selling mainstays, it's because they're sourcing from Walmart. And the next step is to scan all their items from Walmart. You can take data-driven decisions. For example, this product here has sold 113 times for $10. And everything, right? And it's all from Walmart. You see people like from all over the world doing this. There's this person from Argentina, and he's selling all this stuff from mainstays. And then you click here, the item find, you find the product and everything. But I would recommend looking for more expensive products, because these products you would have to have the Walmart membership to not pay fees, shipping. Or you have to buy items above $35, and then you have free shipping. Another strategy is to go to Zig's product research tool, and then you write something like dresser, okay? And then we have the seller right here. He's drop shipping, obviously from Walmart, and let's just scan the seller, okay? All right, so we see that this drop shipper right here is making $314,000 the last 30 days using Walmart as a supplier. The average product price is above $100, and this is like the winning products. Zig is a great tool, because right now his winning products, this one, he has sold 60 times the last 30 days for $170 with only one competitor. So high demand and low competition. This is a great product, and we're talking about eBay. Now, this is definitely gonna work in Facebook Marketplace, because if there's demand on eBay, there's demand on Facebook Marketplace, and if there's like low competition here, most likely we'll have low competition Facebook Marketplace. And with a simple click here, you will find this product or similar product in Walmart, and then with a simple click, you come here, and then you see the product. All right, so the page cannot be found. It's okay, it's not the end of the world. Things change, the algorithms change. So what you do is, since this is like a really amazing product, this is a bad to know cover, right? So we go to Walmart, and then we tap that right here. And then we see all these options that Walmart has. Now, really important for Facebook Marketplace is the speed. All right, you choose 2 days, and you have to make sure that the product is sold by Walmart itself and not by like third party. All right, and step number 3 is listing your products. So, once you found your product, just like we did here, it's time to list it to Facebook Marketplace. And you can do this by creating a new listing and filling out all the necessary information. Let me show you how right here. So you come down here, retailer, and then you put Walmart, okay? And then we're gonna have these options. We have, it's like 7 options. Okay, for example, let's choose one of them. All right, let's choose one of them right here and check it out. It's really good price, 200 from 249 to 50 to 179. But how do we do it now? So basically you click here and you basically get all this information, and then you simply copy and paste everything here. Okay, so you save all the photos. Let's save all the photos here. You get the title. Put the title here, you put the price that you want, make sure that you're making some profit. So for example, right now, you have to always be careful and keep yourself updated, but from 250 is 179, so it's a good deal. So let's say you can actually list this for $200, right? 210 would be cheap, right? Or if you want to play safe and just have like a $10 profit, you can also do that. It's up to you. So let's choose here. How much do you think I should list this? Okay, it's 179.98. So let's calculate. Let's go with a 20 profit margin here. 20% profit margin. So 180, that's 36. So 36 plus 180. Okay, that's 216. All right, 216. So 215.99. So let's just place 215, and then you have the category. The category is actually let's see, it's not cars, but it's, let's see, like auto, it could be auto parts, I guess, right? And the condition is new, and the description, you simply come here, okay, product details, and then you copy everything, and you place here. You see how it looks down here. And then you can also, take this off right here. We don't need that. It has all the specifications. You can always, do things to be more clean. And then you do this, you can put product tags if you want, so you can write everything like all these like keywords right here: truck, bad to know, cover, car, cover, and you can have fun with that. Now the locations, as you can see here, I'm in Portugal, but you can change that. We can put Palm Beach, Florida, but it doesn't really matter. You can choose any location, like in the United States, and you won't even see the product, and you won't even see the customer, so it's all right. You can do that. And then you have the options here. Of course, you're not gonna have a public meetup or anything like that. You can put the door drop off or whatever, and you can also hide from friends if you don't want to, spam them with everything. And then boosting, you can do this to boost after like it becomes an ad. We'll talk about this a bit later. But yeah, so what's missing here is 2 things, right? The photos that I will upload like right now. And the second thing is title. How can we make this a better title? And guess what? Zik Analytics can help you out as well with their title builder. You come here to the title builder. What is this product? It's a truck bed cover, okay? And then what Zik Analytics do is gonna find here the long tail keywords and the generic ideas. And then what you do, a quick hack is just to place here the title, and then you take unnecessary keywords. For example, I don't think king's necessary. And then you check out all the long tail keywords. So bad to know cover, we have that because it's in high demand. It seems like this is a really good title. You could remove the years and the model and everything, but we have, from what I see, we have everything. We have all the good keywords. So you just like copy that. Actually this was a good title, and post that, and it's ready. Okay, as you can see here, like the ad and everything, and then you have the location that I changed, and this is it. And then you can list here marketplace, and then you have the groups that you are a part of, and then you can publish in the groups, and then that's it. And then you just publish. Now I know a lot of you may be thinking, why these people don't just buy at Walmart. Well, if you go to Facebook Marketplace, let me just go back here. You see all the images, you see everything. It's for the convenience. They are there ready, and they see something that they want, that they need, that they look for. It's there. It's easy. It's reliable with good photos, with good descriptions and everything. Why not buy it? And it's a thing. It's a very good place to dropship. Okay, to use dropshipping model. And once you have received an order, it's time to fulfill it. To do that, you will need to contact your supplier, in this case, Walmart, and provide them with the shipping information and the details of the order and make payment. Once they ship the product, you will need to confirm the shipment and send the tracking information to the buyer. Now we move to step number 4, which is promoting your products. You can actually do that. And it's really nice to promote your products to potential buyers. One way to do this is by creating ads on Facebook. You can target ads to specific audiences, such as people who live in certain areas or who are interested in like specific products. You can also use Facebook groups and pages to connect with potential buyers, which is very interesting. Now, if you're interested in learning more about promoting your products in Facebook Marketplace, leave a comment below and I'll make a video about it, just a video about it for you, all right? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to me and to everyone. Now, let's go to step number 5, which is customer service. And this is the actual, like the final step, because the final step right here is to provide excellent customer service. So this includes, responding promptly to any questions or concerns that the buyers may have, taking care of any issues that may arise. And by providing great customer service, you will build like this positive reputation, increase the chances of repeating the business. And, if personally I buy something even in Facebook Marketplace and I like that person, I like the seller, and it was smoothie, obviously I'm going to recommend to a friend or to a family member and so on. And there you have it, my friends. Remember that starting a dropshipping business takes time and effort. But with the right approach, the right tools, you can create a successful business and start earning money online, all right? If you have any questions, any doubts, please leave them here in the comment below because I want to help you out. Keep moving forward and see you next time.